All right, got some packages here today. One from Parks Car Care, one from my favorite new distributor, Drive Auto. Let's see what we got here. I'm in my little supply room where I keep all my overflow of products, as you can see. I'm kind of a product junkie. Getting ready to test all the different interior cleaners and conditioners. But there's the Drive Auto, or I'm sorry, the Parks. All the stuff I got from them. Gallons. I got all kinds of stuff in here. Kind of a product junkie. I like to test it all. But let's see what we got here from Parks. Or I'm sorry, Drive Auto first. Alright, we got another small bottle of the rinseless wash. We got rinseless wash with ceramic. Let's see what else we got in here. Buck Naked Prep Shampoo. This is good stuff, especially if you're trying to strip off old waxes and whatnot. Let's see what else we got here. Awesome glass cleaner. Everything I've tried from Drive is absolutely amazing. I'm in the process of changing out my frontline products to all Drive. Got gallons on the way. This is Lux Interior Conditioner. We're going to try that out today on a car. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, this is the new Re-Up. This is like a ceramic detailer. Good stuff. Eddie Cologne just did a, from EC Details, just did a nice video on this. Let's see what else we got here. Detox Panel Prep. I got a gallon of that on the way, along with a gallon of the glass cleaner. I got gallons of everything actually coming in, of every product that they sell. I'm getting a gallon of. Oh, this stuff's awesome. This is the ceramic sealant or rejuvenator. This stuff is banging. Let's see what else we got here. That's pretty much it for this box. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got some more discount cards. Nice. 25% off. Gotta love that. All the sprayers. Alright, let's put that down here. And we'll grab the Parks. See what we got from Parks. We got a big boy of Clarity. What's this, the 1 liter? 500 mil, sorry. 500 mil of Clarity. That's their panel prep. We got Purify. This stuff's great. This is, you could use it as a clay lubricant and iron remover, I believe. That's good stuff there. I swear by their Purge. Oh, got another liter of Clarity. What else did we get here? Oh, a Small Guy Luster. This is a sealant on steroids here. This is, I put this up there with the Polish Angel. All my Polish Angel stuff's right here. Another, what do they call this? Grit guard or something for the bottom of the buckets. We got sprayers. What else do we got in here? Got another bottle of Jet. I love the two of them put together, Luster and Jet, man. Can't go wrong with that. Some serious durability with those two. Oh, and then the topper, Boost. Those are just two of my boxes that I got recently. I'll have some reviews going for all the products. I'm going to be using them on some details, so stay tuned in. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. You're trying to crush that like button. I got plenty of products to test, as you can see. I got that whole box is filled with coatings. I got all kinds of stuff here. So stay tuned in. Hit that subscribe button. And what else we got? Oh yeah, we got this today too. We got Rag Company. We got some 350s. Auto Fiber. We got some double flips for the rinseless wash when I'm not using the sponges. Pick that up. Let's see what else we got. We got all kinds of stuff here. A bunch of Sonex, McKees, Extreme Solutions, Koch Chemie, Turtle Wax, Groy's Garage. We got Meguiar's. We got it all. Another whole container filled with Art to Shine, Koch Chemie, Adams. I got so many products to test and have been tested and just waiting to edit and get it posted up onto the internet. Interior wise today, we're going to go with a couple interior cleaners. Lithium Auto Elixir Slather. This is a really good one. Follow that up with some inner space. At least some protection. We got Leather Star, Polestar, 3-in-1 leather spray from Groy's Garage. We're going to test that out today. Geon Interior Detailer, Ethos Interior Detailer. And this was my go-to before I got a hold of the Cox lineup from Drive Auto. I got gallons of this stuff. Actually, I got a gallon of it right here. There we go. That's all Geon. Last Coat products in there. That's all different coatings, sponges. This is just my overflow room. I got shelves full of this stuff. Got some Phoenix EOD stuff. Oh, this stuff's amazing. Shiny wax. Look how you got to keep this shaken up, because if you leave it sit for a little while, it has so much SiO2 in it that it actually starts to crystallize. You got to use that stuff up as soon as you get it. All right, guys, tune into the channel, like, comment, subscribe. We got a lot of good videos coming up. Stay tuned. Thank you.